Hello, Mrs. Burke's class. I'm just getting on here quickly to show you how we are going to be taking attendance every day. Some of you were able to do this yesterday, and some of you had some trouble. So I'm just making this quick video so that way you understand where you need to go. I actually put it in a different place as well, so it might be a little bit easier for everybody all together. So here, as you can see, I'm on my Teams page. So if I have to click Teams again, I could. This will be my Teams page, so all of your teams should look like this. All right, you're going to click my class period. For right now, I'm using the example class just to show you this. So I'm clicking example class, and my general tab should pop up first. Okay, every day when you log in, you're going to go to attendance. So I'm clicking attendance, and as you can see, it says it down here, where it says fill attendance, or you can go up here, where it also says fill attendance. So if I click that, it's going to bring me to this page. Okay, now question number 1, first and last name. I have to type it in. Next question, what class period are you in? So say this is period 3. Okay, if you're in period 7, you would obviously click period 7. If you're period 8, you would click period 8. What is today's date? You're going to click on this little calendar here. All right, and today's date should always be lit up blue. All right, so I'm doing this on September 8th, but tomorrow when you do this for attendance, this will be lit up blue and you'll just click the 9. So if you just click the 8, there, it logs it in right for you, and then all you have to do is click submit. Okay, now when you go back on Thursday, say we go out to Teams, scroll all the way to your class, click example class, attendance. We're going to go back here to the attendance, and it lets me fill out another form. Okay, as long as we're putting in the correct date and the period and your name, then that's okay for me. That's all the attendance that you're going to have to do for me. So every day when you log in, you're going to go to your team. I'll do it one more time. You're going to go to your team, so your team is going to be Mrs. Burke and whatever period it is for reading. Click the attendance tab as soon as you log in, attendance, and you can fill this out. Okay, if you're already in the meeting first, so say you join the meeting and I say, okay, now go take your attendance if you did not do attendance yet. Like I showed you in my previous video, you can click into Teams and this will still pop up for you that you can still click attendance, and you can click it to fill it out while you're on the video with us. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. All in all, I think this is going to be pretty easy for you to accomplish.